natural health for beginners.
Learn how to make pure and fresh aloe vera gel at home with precise quantities. This easy step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring you capture all the natural goodness of aloe vera. Perfect for skincare, hair care, or DIY beauty recipes, this homemade gel is chemical-free and packed with benefits. Introduction: benefits of homemade aloe vera gel: natural, cost-effective, and versatile. Ingredients and tools: fresh aloe vera leaves, 2 large leaves, around 200-300 g of gel. Vitamin E oil, 1 capsule, optional, for added shelf life. Essential oil, 2 to 3 drops, optional, for fragrance. Knife, spoon, blender, and a sterilized jar. Step-by-step process. Preparation: wash the aloe vera leaves and let them sit upright for 10 to 15 minutes to drain the yellow sap, aloin. Extraction: carefully cut off the spiky edges and peel away the green skin to expose the clear gel inside. Blending: scoop out the gel and blend it into a smooth consistency. Add vitamin E oil and essential oil if desired. Storage: transfer the gel into a sterilized jar and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Uses of aloe vera gel. Skin care: soothes sunburn, moisturize dry skin, or use as a base for DIY masks. Hair care: apply as a natural conditioner or to reduce dandruff. Health: add to smoothies or juices for digestive benefits. Tips for best results: always use fresh aloe vera for maximum benefits. Perform a patch test before using on skin to avoid allergic reactions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY natural remedies.